Want to know how to book or describe UNESCO tasks in TaskRabbit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your TaskRabbit website. So you can just simply head towards your web browser and type in taskrabbit.com, and you should be in this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, you should be seeing book your next task. So if you don't see it, make sure you are logged in. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have done all of that, here you should be seeing this search button right here. You can just simply select any one of these. So I'm just going to quick select it right here, and now once you've quick selected it, it should load with various options. So as you can see right here, now you can see you can just simply enter your task address, you can save address, and you should be good to go. Now you can just simply enter a name or article number and find your IKEA items, and you can just simply see your subtotal and proceed accordingly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.